What do you guys think? All right, what's up, y'all? As y'all can see, it's raining right now. Kind of didn't plan for this. Today's plans were to get the new brake rotors and brake pads in. I had a lot of shit done since my last video. The car is fully tuned. We got the new lip in from Bulletproof Automotive, the Varus lip. Got the brakes, and then we got the oil change. I'm actually just gonna go into the disassembly first. Did I say we have an oil change? Anyways, we got an oil change. Haven't done an oil change in a long time because, reason being is because I got a new job for like 6-7 months. And then they gave me a company vehicle. I drove around. They used the company vehicle for everything because they allowed me to. So didn't really drive the car. So the only thing I drove it for was to tune the car, and it's actually fucking a lot of fun. But haven't been able to enjoy it as of recent because of the rain. Luckily, when I was tuning, there was almost like a 2-week, 3-week period where it didn't rain. We're gonna put on a little valve so it's easier. I don't know, hopefully it is, and hopefully it's safe. I'll show you guys what it is. I don't remember what it's called off the top of my head. So we're gonna be installing that. Brake pads, rotors. I did want to take off my bumper and shave the crash bar so we can align it better so this fits properly. You see this gap? That's the only way. I messaged some other people with the same bumper. That's the only way. Obviously this side is pretty flush. Oh, you know what? It's kind of hanging down. I don't know if that's because over time or whatever. Because it is on one bolt on this side, one bolt on the other side. So that's what we're looking at. Lipping. Kind of hard to fucking focus on this. Anyways, not bad. 49,000 original miles on this. I got the car at 6 miles, so all put on by me. Never tracked. I've definitely done some spirited driving, canyons, and all that shit. I'll put the link in the bio of where I'm going off of. It's a post on CivicX, and it just shows you how to do the whole thing. Again, not a fucking tutorial, okay? Because I haven't even done a Brembo brake job. I've done other regular brake jobs, not a Brembo one. So I don't want to post a tutorial telling you guys how to do this shit when I don't even know how to do this shit, okay? I'm doing it on my car because it's my car. You guys do whatever on your car, okay? Watching me do shit. That's basically it. You can quote me on that. Watching me do shit. If it does help you, cool. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. You know what I mean? So first things first, 2 bolts back here. One, and then 2. Some people take off the hard brake line. I'm actually not going to take it off. I'm actually just gonna put something under here to mount it, keep it stable while I take off the rotor. All right, got the bottom pin out. Basically, just use this punch to get it past the first brake pad, and then it became very loose. Careful, there's a lot of tension built up right here, so this actually came up when I took out this pin. It came up like really fast and I flinched. I doubt it would have came out to hit me because it's locked right there, but who knows? All right, so check out the second one. Grab this. Okay, now we just need to take out the pads, and then that's pretty much it. Alright, so I'm about to take off the rotor. If you guys don't know, these handheld impact drivers, screwdrivers, whatever, you need them. I don't give a fuck what you say, you need them. There's one time where I forgot it and I basically had to drill it out. That's fine too, but this will save you a lot of time. So that's about it. Now I'm gonna wiggle out the rotor here. Ouch. That fucking hurt. Still on the box. Yep, that's all good. Smashed my finger, but we're all good. Don't do what I just did and smack the shit out of the caliper. I gotta give you guys a side-by-side comparison. I don't know how much lighter it is, but and honestly, yeah, it's definitely lighter. I don't know how much, but definitely lighter. Better cooling. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I needed them, but I definitely needed a rotor replacement, so I didn't want to just go back to OE. Got an upgrade, whatever. But now we better slap it on, pads, everything, boom. Bleed the system, do the oil change real quick. Stop raining. There's the sun. Right on time. Bed the pads in, boom. She actually looks pretty fucking good. So literally just need to bleed everything, and it's taking a while because I smashed both my fingers. Smashed my thumb. This one's not as bad. You can see the indent right here is kind of bent in, but here's the index finger I was talking about. Yeah, that shit hurts. What I'm talking about, this Fumoto drain valve. Seen a lot of good reviews. Hopefully it does the job. Used to be a firm believer of letting this shit run for like, I don't know, 30 minutes. But ever since I started working at the dealership, well, I don't work there anymore, but when I did, I was a service advisor and just working closely with the techs. They're like, yeah, you don't need that shit. Just let it drain out, the majority of it, close it up, put the new oil in, that's a wrap. All right, so I didn't know how to tighten it because there's literally no fucking way to tighten it. You hand tight it and it's straight. Now it's a little bit crooked. I just used a fucking monkey wrench, grabbed it and tightened it until the crush washer crushed. All right, just tightening up the wheels. That shit looks clean. The next video may be aligning this front bumper because again, like I told you, I have the new lip in, the replacement lip. So we'll probably do that. Kind of wanted to do some reaction vids too on the tune, but again, weather hasn't been great, so not much to shoot. But thank you guys for watching. That's about it for this one. Peace out.